China's lunar probe Chang'e-6 returns world's first sample from the far side of the moon. The lunar material landed in China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region early Tuesday, June 25. The successful completion of the nearly 2-month mission marks a boost for China, the first country to bring back samples from the hemisphere of the moon that always faces away from Earth. The device was launched on May 3 and reached lunar orbit 5 days later. On June 1, the lander touched down in Apollo crater in the South Pole Basin, a 2,500-kilometer-wide impact area on the far side of the moon. The mission's lander spent 2 days using its robotic arm and drill to collect rocks and soil from the 2,577-kilometer-wide South Pole Basin, one of the oldest and largest craters on the moon's surface. The ascent module then lifted off from the lunar surface and rendezvoused with the probe before beginning the journey home. The lander used a shovel and drill to collect about 2 kilograms of lunar material. This precious cargo was launched aboard the ascent module on June 3 and encountered the mission's orbiter a few days later. China previously collaborated with international scientists to study samples it brought back from the near side of the moon, but it is unclear whether similar access will be granted to the new material from the far side. The latest samples could shed light on long-standing mysteries in the early history of the moon and Earth. The material could help answer some tough questions about the early history of the solar system. This is how the SPA pool formed 4.26 billion years ago. Hundreds of millions of years after most of the moon's craters were ejected by asteroids and comets during an intense phase known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. China's moon plans don't end with Chang'e-6. The nation plans to launch Chang'e-7 and Chang'e-8 in 2026 and 2028, respectively. The latter mission will help test technologies needed to establish a moon base, which China aims to build near the water ice-rich South Pole in the 2030